Okay, so in this video, we're going to remove this part of the receipt. If you're just a starting business and you don't have uh, this part yet, we can remove this or disable it. Here's how. Um, so let's go to maintenance, resources, then let's search for printer ticket. Then we'll search for net of tax word for the word net tax. Net tax. Um, Net of tax. So we're going to disable this line and also this. Okay. To do that, we're going to add this dash dash. This and exclamation point dash dash. Then it will make the statement a comment. And you can make your note here so that you'll remember that you're the one who edited it. My edit is here. Then end it here. Then make another. Okay, wait. I should end it here. One. Okay. So that I know that I can delete this and delete this in the future. Okay. Then also we'll disable this line. So to do that, paste, then up to here. As long as you can see this tax. Then click save. Let's see if it took effect. Open Chromis again. Let's make a transaction. And let's check. Here, it's already disabled. We're done.